Litigious kick from the fly half right through the arms of Faye Waboso, but Dwayne was there to hoover that one up. Oh, and Bristol's discipline is coming apart at the seams.
Five's counter up, played the 9, looking fast the ball.
No one in these packed stands doubted it for a moment.
Stationary! Stationary!
BV wants it, so does Moroney. There's Moroney. Oh, they've spilt it once more. Was that knocked on? There could be something coming here, but Reece Samet is going to swerve, ship it out wide, and Noah Hewitt will score for Bristol. At last, this soggiest of kindling catches, and Bristol Bears have sparked into life at Sandy Park with minutes left on the half. Well, uppermost in Bristol's mind right now will be just keeping Exeter pinned back in this half of the pitch, because a penalty wins it. Slade knows that, looks to drill it through. Oh, but with a toe on it, it's Moroney. Slade chasing back. Janse van Rensburg, second for turnovers in the league. This is bread and butter. And that might just be the game. Bernard Janse van Rensburg might just have bashed down a rampart at Fortress Sandy Park. Jimmy Williams will take every possible second out of a shot clock, which is into single figures now. And Sandy Park has fallen for the first time this season.